Let's take a look at solving some systems of equation by elimination using subtraction. Now, one thing we want to keep in mind is when two equations each contain the same term, you can subtract one equation from the other to solve the system. To subtract an equation, you want to just add the opposite of each term. Okay, so let's take a look at the system. 3x plus 3y is equal to 15, and negative 2x plus 3y is equal to a negative 5. Okay, as we take a look at this, what we're trying to do is we want to make sure that we write this system so that the terms line up and we can determine what we want to do, what terms we want to eliminate. That's what elimination means, what terms we want to eliminate. So as I look at this system, I see a plus 3y and a plus 3y in the second. So that tells me that what I want to do is I want to do something to make sure where one of these three y's will be the opposite. So let's just go ahead and write them so that the terms are lined up. So I have 3x plus 3y is equal to 15, and negative 2x plus 3y is equal to negative 5. Okay, so now all I'm asked to do is just go ahead and add and eliminate. So I got my terms where they're lined up, but what I want to do here is I want to let's eliminate this second term. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in parentheses, and I'm going to put a negative sign on the outside here. Okay, put a negative sign on the outside. Let me make this where we can see it. Okay. So I'm going to put a negative sign. So what I'm going to do here, this negative is telling me that I'm going to change all the terms inside of this parentheses. Okay, so this will become, stays the same as 3x plus 3y is equal to 15, and this will become 2x, just changing the signs, minus 3y, and that's going to equal to 5. Okay, so step 2 says now I can add and eliminate. So as I add, I see 5x, that's going to be plus 0, and that's going to equal to 20. Okay, so all I got to do now is 5x is equal to 20 is divide both sides by 5. Isolate x. That's going to give me x is equal to 4. Okay. So I've completed 2 steps. Now all I got to do is go to my third step, which says to substitute my x value in for either one of the original equations. Okay, substitute my x value and then solve. So let's just try to use the 3x. So we're going to use here 3x plus 3y is equal to 15, and substitute will be 3 times 4 plus 3y is equal to 15. That's 12 plus 3y is equal to 15, and we're going to subtract 12 from both sides. So that'll be 12 minus 12 plus 3y is equal to 15 minus 12. So we go ahead and bring this up here, and that will be 0 plus 3y is equal to 3 3y is equal to 3. Divide both sides by 3, and y will equal to 1. Okay, so we have our ordered pairs, and our ordered pairs, our x and y ordered pairs, will be 4, 1. Okay, so now all we got to do is go ahead and check. So we can do so by substituting 4 and 1 for x and y. So here we will have 3x plus 3y is equal to 15. 3 times 4 plus 3 times 1 is equal to 15. Well, it's getting pretty easy. And that will be 12 plus 3 is equal to 15, and 15 is equal to 15. So I'll change this to red, and we'll go ahead and check the next equation. I'm quite sure it's going to match up, though. Let's check it out and see. So here we have a negative 2x plus 3y is equal to negative 5, and then we'll have negative 2 times 4 plus 3 times 1 is equal to a negative 5, and that's going to be negative 8 plus 3 is equal to a negative 5, and indeed 3 from 8 is 5, and with the absolute value of 8 is negative, it'll be negative 5 is equal to a negative 5. Okay, so both checks. So what we're looking at is 4, 1 is indeed the solution to our system. 3x plus 3y is equal to 15, and negative 2x plus 3y is equal to a negative 5, and we did so via elimination using subtraction. See you soon.